Whenever you're in a room with beautiful flowers, it moves people, you know. Sometimes they don't even know why. The atmosphere is so great. We always start with the dress. If you're going for something that has length, you can probably have something that's a bit more trailing, but something a bit more fitted, definitely a little bit more compact. So the fabric and the texture of the dress is going to work really well with your bouquet. In terms of aesthetics, a classic palette would be like more neutral, so the whites and creams, but increasingly we're getting these really soft, you know, like cafe au lait colours. Makes it quite a more of a modern palette, very subtle and elegant. The style that you're going for has got to be sympathetic and in keeping with the venue. You don't want to take over, you don't want it to be too much. It's the finishing touches. Flowers are so important for your wedding because they immediately sum up the romance of the day, the sense of occasion, but also the vision that you've had about your wedding day.